Hello PowerPoint users and welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we are going to create this fishbone diagram using PowerPoint. So, let's get started. Let's first go to the Insert tab and then draw this manual operation flowchart shape. Rotate it by 90 degrees, align it centrally to both the guides, and then adjust its size. Next, again go to Insert tab and draw a rectangle shape at left side edge as shown. Create its duplicate and place it centrally to the flowchart shape. Now drag and select all these shapes and fragment them together. Drag and select unnecessary fragments and then delete them. Next, group both these shapes, duplicate them, flip it horizontally, and align them as shown. Finally, ungroup all these shapes. Next, let's go to the Insert tab and draw a rectangle shape as shown. Make sure only half the portion of this rectangle shape is placed over the flowchart shape. Let's create duplicates of this rectangle shape and place them in a similar pattern on all flowchart shapes. Drag and select all these shapes, fragment them together, and then delete unnecessary fragments. Next, go to the Insert tab and draw a circle shape. Align it centrally to the flowchart shape and place another duplicate circle at the lower edge as shown. Now let's create a few more duplicates and place these circle shapes on each flowchart shape on opposite sides. Let's select all these circle shapes, duplicate them, align them at the same position, and then reduce their size. Next, we will create the fish shape design using triangle shapes. Draw a small triangle shape, rotate it by 90 degrees, and adjust its size. Create its duplicate, overlap both shapes as shown, and subtract them together. Next, let's create another duplicate of this shape and place it at the front side, and then increase its size as per design requirements. Now go to the Insert tab and draw a rectangle shape, connecting both these shapes. Adjust its size, and make sure it's aligned centrally to the slide. Next, select these three shapes, and union them together. Let's again go to the Insert tab, draw a circle shape as shown, and subtract it from the fish design shape. Now let's change the colors of each element, and let's start by setting the background color to dark gray. Change the color of the fish shape design to light gray, and then change the flowchart shape's fill color to white. Let's quickly change the colors of the remaining circle shapes, and also remove the outline for all the shapes. Finally, add all text fields and PNG icons to finalize this design. So here is the final preview of this fishbone infographic design. Hope you all liked it. Please don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next tutorial.